Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be removing and installing the visors on this vehicle. This is a 2025 Honda Civic, and these visors are very difficult in order to remove and install. So I'm going to give an example on how to remove and install these visors on a 2025 Honda Civic. The 2025 Honda Civic Visor. Extremely fun to remove and install. You'll be needing a screwdriver similar to this in order to remove these visors. Just a flathead screwdriver. So there's a groove in between here, and this groove also make sure that the visor is set to, it's similar as if you're blocking out the sunlight, so that's how you want the position of it. You want to place your screwdriver in this groove, and you want to push it in, and now you want to turn it to where it's going to the other side. Push this in pretty good, and turn, and then you might want to help it a little bit as you're turning it. Might take a few tries. Hear that click? Means it's back in position. All right, push in, turn. All right, so now we will push this little pin in and turn. As it's turning, you can kind of help it. Alright, so now you want to push your screwdriver in where the groove is, push it in, and turn.
Whether you wrench or just wanna see where the fix-it crew.
There you go. And it will drop down. Once it drops down, you're done. Now all you have to do is push this back in and turn it, and you'll hear it click. Now it's back in position. I'm going to show you one more time. In the groove, push the pin in with your screwdriver, push it in, turn the visor. You'll feel the visor kind of move over, and it will drop down. Okay, back in, back in position. Visor back in. You want to push it up, and then you want to turn it, and you'll hear it click. Hear that click? Once that click is in, this is installed. It will not come back down now. If this video was helpful in removing and installing these visors, please leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more benefits of how to install or how to on some of these things. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.